Guys, I struggled with this for so goddamn long, but I finally found the solution. So keep watching. So if you guys can't already tell from the title of this video, one of the things I was struggling with was getting my videos onto TikTok in full 60 FPS. It wasn't any problem I had with filming or video editing or something like that, but it was actually specifically with TikTok, the platform itself, that I was having a problem with. But in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a full tutorial on how to film a video in 60 FPS and get it onto TikTok in 60 FPS as well. So just in case you guys have no idea what I'm talking about when I'm saying 60 FPS, here's a comparison of a video that's shot in 30 FPS, and then here's another video that's shot in 60 FPS. And I'm gonna give you guys a side-by-side comparison, and then you guys can see what looks better to you.
Sage, can I get a heal, please?
I don't know, Omen. Can you?
Oh, my bad. May I get a heal, Sage?
So as you guys saw there from the little side-by-side comparison, the 30 FPS one is looking, it's looking average, you know what I mean? But the 60 FPS on the other side is just looking super buttery smooth, right? And that's what we want. That's what looks super good on camera or in gameplay or whatever. And that's exactly why we want to shoot our videos in 60 FPS. So one of the things you guys are absolutely going to need to get a video onto TikTok in 60 FPS is either a camera that can do 60 FPS, like this. I have my GoPro right here. Or you guys are gonna need a phone that can do 60 FPS. Aside from a camera or a phone that can do 60 FPS video, you guys can also upload 60 FPS footage, whether that be like in a game or something that you have on your computer. But yeah, you just need something that can capture 60 FPS. All right guys, so I got my iPhone right here, and I'll show you guys how to get the settings proper so that you can do 60 FPS video on your phone. All right, so right here we're on my home screen. You know what? Don't pay attention to the background. Let's look past that. But here, we're gonna go to our settings right here, and then we're gonna go down to, we're gonna scroll down until we can find camera right here, and then we're gonna go to record video right here, and it's gonna give us a lot of selections. There's 720, 30 FPS, 1080p, 4K. All we really want here is to select 1080p HD at 60 FPS. And then once you're done that, you can exit that and then go to your phone app, your camera app right there. And then when you select video, it'll bring you up to the top right corner. You'll see HD in 60 FPS. If you click that, you just want to click that, make sure that it's on HD 60 FPS or and not on 30 FPS. And then once you have that selected, you can go ahead, film a video on your phone, and then it should be fine. It should all be in 60 FPS.
So we just switched over to my phone just to show you guys how to do this on a camera. So what you want to do is you want to go to make sure you're on your video setting for your camera. This is my DSLR here. You want to see this, you see this icon right here where it says FHD 59.94. We're going to want to access that, and we do that by clicking the Q right here. And then right here, it's gonna bring up the settings for the FPS because I already have it brought up. And then we're gonna select what we want right here. So usually, I believe it's on 29.97 FHD, but instead we wanna go to the left here, select that, and then right there, we're filming in 60 FPS.
Okay, so you just finished recording all of the bits for your video, and now you need to get it onto TikTok, right? So the first thing you think is, okay, you know what? Let me open up TikTok. Let me just select all the clips that I'm gonna put into this TikTok video, and then boom, it's all done, right? Wrong! This is the problem, and this is the problem that I had, and I was so confused for the longest time. You actually can't select multiple clips to put into one single video on TikTok and have it still be 60 FPS. What you actually need to do is you need to have it all in one single video before you can have it into one single TikTok in 60 FPS. What I mean basically by saying that is that you can only select one clip and have it remain 60 FPS. If you select one or two more clips at a time, then it's gonna turn into 30 FPS, and that is not what we want. That is not the kimochi buttery smooth video that we once saw. So this is the workaround. So you can either put together your video in another program. For example, the program I use is Adobe Premiere, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. But for whoever doesn't have Adobe Premiere for video editing, I'll also show you guys how to use this free app called CapCut, where you can also select a bunch of TikTok clips that you want to put into one single TikTok, and it will still be in 60 FPS. So right now we're in Premiere. I have a TikTok that I already made in the past previously, already playing right here, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it to play in 60 FPS if you don't already have it playing in 60 FPS in Premiere. So you just want to go up to here where it says sequence, click on sequence settings, and then right at the top it's going to show you time-based right here, right? And right here, we want to make sure that this is on 60 FPS because that's exactly what we're trying to go for. Once you're ready to export this, you can go to export right here from file down to export and then click media. And then you're gonna want to have to format on H.264, right? And then I have a little TikTok preset export right here. The most important thing for this preset that you're gonna want to make sure is that right here under video, it has 60 FPS where it says the frame rate. That's the most important thing. So when you're exporting this, just double check, make sure under video it says 60 FPS and then you'll be fine. All right, so next up guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to set your sequence settings in CapCut so that it could be in 60 FPS as well. So we're gonna go here where it says select new project. I'm just gonna select, for example, let's see here. I'm just gonna select 2 videos that I know are in 60 FPS. So this one, unlike the TikTok app, actually always previews it in 30 FPS. So just look out for that. It's gonna preview it in 30 FPS, but don't be alarmed by that. All you have to do to just make sure that it's in 60 FPS is you're gonna go up here where it says 1080p. You're gonna click on that. You can select your target resolution, and then under it, it also says frame rate. So you're just gonna drag the frame rate from 30 FPS all the way to 60 FPS. That's just how we want it. And then we're just gonna click off of that. See, when we click off of that, it remains at 60 FPS. It'll still display it in 30 FPS, but fret not guys, I assure you, it will still be in 60 FPS. So we'll go ahead, pause that. We're gonna go ahead and click the export button at the top right here. So basically what that's doing is it's downloading it to our phone, and then that way we'll have it on our phone so that we can upload it to TikTok. So we'll give that a second to go. All right, and right off the bat, it gives us an option if we want to share it to our TikTok. So you could click this, and then it will bring it directly to your TikTok. And that way, you don't even have to worry about going through to TikTok separately. You can literally just upload it directly from CapCut to TikTok. Just for more proof that this actually works, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my TikTok right here. We're gonna click on that TikTok that we just made. And then as you guys can see right here, it's playing in full 60 FPS as it's been uploaded for. And there's no problems here. Everything's running really smoothly, and yeah. All right guys, so that's it for me. I hope this video was able to help you guys out. If you guys have any questions on how to get 60 FPS videos into your TikTok, just leave a comment below in the comment section and I'll address it to the best of my knowledge. And yeah guys, if this video helped you, please leave a like on the video. And if you guys ever want to catch me off of my YouTube videos, you guys could definitely go ahead and check me out over at twitch.tv. I do stream there Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. And I do gaming content like Genshin Impact, and I also do IRL content like cooking or just like skateboarding or whatever in public. But yeah guys, that's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I can't. Japanese Cinderella! Hey!
Okay, holy fuck man, that was really fucking hard. I'm sweating!